K-Embroidery is a well-known name in the smoking and embroidery industry for offering high-quality embroidered products such as baby dresses, bodysuits, and napkins to the world.
We try our best to ensure the qualities of our products as well as the consistencies of each and every shipment.
Over the years, our factory has created many popular products that have been very popular in the markets. Dresses and bodysuits are our company's main products. Our journey starts with finding the right fabric. Then these fabrics are carefully embroidered by hand to ensure the best quality. Afterward, our products are moved to the sewing department. The process of rigidly checking product quality is an important step before products reach our customers. We have been exporting smoking and embroidery goods and always got good feedbacks. Our products are always available with thousands of tons loaded in warehouses, which are ready to trade and export at any time. The headquarters in Ha Noi is run by a board of directors and 3 main departments: sales and marketing, finance, purchasing. Working under the motto "Quality is King," K-Embroidery aspires to make Vietnam become one of the world's largest exporting countries. In the long term, K-Embroidery aims at: do not hesitate to cooperate with us to enjoy the best products and services.